talked about in my last vlog. I'm so excited. I'm so ready for these carbs. I felt so depleted the last week, so it's definitely been needed. My carbs currently are 180 and they're going to be increased, so they'll be, I think it was 218, so it's a little bit of a difference. Doing a 2-day carb up, so it'll be over today and tomorrow, and I just took my fasted check-ins. I'll pop them up on the screen, and I need to do my waist measurement as well. I reckon it will be around 60 centimeters though. Today steps are dropped. I'm normally doing 14k and now I'm doing 10k, so they've been dropped by 4,000 steps. I still do my cardio, still do my training, so I've got upper today, posterior tomorrow, and then I've got 2 sessions of 40 minutes on the elliptical. That's fun. I've got all my meals prepped already. I'm basically going to take you guys through my day of eating, so we'll do a full day of eats. It'll be the same meals today and tomorrow, so I won't go too in depth with both days because it's the same. Just want to basically show you guys the difference of what this carb up will do, and I'm really curious to see what it does because I've only had one other carb up and we haven't done one since, which that was only a few weeks ago. So very interested to see what 2 days will do. Yeah, let's just get into it. I'm going to wait a little bit. It's only 6 a.m. so I normally eat my first meal around 7:30 to 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna wait it out. Probably go do cardio. We'll see. I normally like to do it after training, but because I'm training later on today, I'm not sure. So we'll see how I am feeling, what I want to do, but let's get this show on the road. So I'm just using caramel sugar-free syrup coffee. I just measure out 15 ml. And I just have black coffee because I can't have milk in it. It's my favorite meal. It's always so good. So 50 grams of cream of rice, 50 grams of YoPro, 20 grams of protein powder, 100 grams of blueberries, and then 13 grams of peanut butter. So that's meal 1. I'm gonna eat this, and then later on, when I have my next meal, then we'll go to the gym. have 10 grams of peanut butter, 20 grams of strawberry jam. Just use the Cody's one. And then I'm gonna take this as well, pre-pump. Yeah, and just 3 rice cakes. I also just added a little bit of salt. You didn't see that. So I had my pre-workout meal, which was the 3 rice cakes and the peanut butter and jam. And I'm just drinking my pre-workout pump. I touched over it before I left, but I don't take stim because I can't train with stim. I just feel like I can't breathe. And my anxiety goes through the roof. This is Mad Science Mad Pumps. And I absolutely love it. It's so good. I love the ingredients in it as well. So I'm gonna drink this. I kind of cut myself off before, so I was just gonna say, let's go train. I'm not gonna film it, but I'm gonna go hit a juicy upper body session and do some cardio. Nothing crazy. Intensity isn't going to be very high. So I got a message from my coach and she was like, girl, don't gun it. So we're not gonna gun it. We're just gonna go a little bit easier. Not too easy, but easier. Let's go train and then it will be lunchtime and then we can do our next meal, which is already prepped. All the rest of my meals are already prepped, so there'll be no cooking process. But yeah, let's go train. This is the go. This is so good. I put this on my lunch all the time and it tastes so good. It's almonds, Brazil nuts and cashew nuts. So good. And then I douse everything in garlic salt because it's so good. Of mince, 150 grams of sweet potato, 100 grams of pumpkin, 100 grams of both beans and broccoli. This is probably my second favorite meal. This is the go. Just got my second coffee of the day. It will basically tie me over until my next meal. I'm feeling pretty satiated because I'm on higher carbs today though, so it's not as bad, but I just got a long black and I put sugar-free, vanilla and sweetener. It's really hot though, so I can't drink it. Yeah, I'm gonna let it cool down. It is now time for my next meal. So I've got a greens drink. I was meant to have this morning, but I didn't have it, so I'm having it now. I haven't had greens in a long time, but I used to take Oxy greens and they were really good. I'm trialing the breakfast juice from Red Dragon. It's nice. I've got apples and I've got a YoPro. So the YoPro is 150 grams. The apples I've just got 160 grams. I've got in-person check-ins with my coach, so that's where I'm gonna go now. And then after that, later on, we can have dinner. This day has actually been really good in terms of my food focus. I haven't had many moments where I was really hungry, and I think it's because the carbs are satiating me. But you'd think sometimes it would make you hungrier, but I've been alright. I'll see you guys at dinner. after the carbs, which is whack to me. I don't understand. My body must have been just so depleted that it chewed through them. My waist measurement is 59 centimeters today, so it's a centimeter smaller than what it was yesterday, which is wild. Yeah, I'm gonna have another high day today. Later on, we're gonna implement some more high days as well, but I'll get more into that in my weekly vlogs. But that's pretty much it. That was my high day. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.